Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue mock test series number 1. It's a part number 4. This series of mock test most important for all the state master cadre, UGC NET, KVC, PGT, TGT and other competitive exams. So let's start from the question number 61. To whom Dr. Johnson decorated with the Medal of Fatherhood of English Criticism? Options are T.S. Eliot, William Shakespeare, John Dryden, Samuel Beckett. Correct answer? Option number C, the John Dryden. John Dryden was English poet, literary critic, translator and playwright who was appointed England's first poet laureate in 1668. Next question. John Dryden's An Essay on Dramatic Poesy was published in 1668, 1672, 1675, 1660. Correct answer, option number A, 1668. An Essay on Dramatic Poesy, it is in a dialogue form, written during the plague year 1666 and published in 1668. Next question. Which book was written with the aim to vindicate the honor of our English writer from the censure of those who unjustly prefer the French before them? Options are Mac Flecknoe, Annus Mirabilis, Essays of John Dryden, Essay on Dramatic Poesy. Correct answer, option number D, Essay on Dramatic Poesy. Essay on Dramatic Poesy, written 1666 and published 1668. The treaty is a dialogue between the four speakers. The name of four speakers are Sir Robert Howard, Lord Buckhurst, Sir Charles Sedley, and Dryden himself. Next question. Alexander Pope's An Essay on Criticism is written in the tradition of John Dryden, Sir Philip Sidney, Aristotle, Ben Jonson. Correct answer, option number C, Aristotle. An Essay on Criticism, written by Alexander Pope, published 1711. It is the source of famous quotation, "To err is human." The famous quotation taken from this work. "To forgive, divine. A little learning is a dangerous thing." These are the famous quotations taken from this important work. Next question. Which of the following work contains Joseph Addison's best criticism? An Account of the Greatest English, Discourse on Medals, Spectator, The Remarks on Italy. Correct answer, option number C, The Spectator. Next question. Who recognized that Shakespeare's art is based on universal passion? Alexander Pope, William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, P.B. Shelley. Correct answer, option number A, Alexander Pope. Next question. Which of the following work vindicate the ways of God to man? Options: The Rape of the Lock, An Essay on Man, The Dunciad, An Essay on Criticism. Correct answer, option number B, An Essay on Man. Next question. Who translated in words Horace Ars Poetica? Longinus, Sir Philip Sidney, Ben Jonson, John Dryden. Correct answer, option number C, Ben Jonson. Next question. Who wrote The Modern Painters and the Seven Lamps of Architecture? John Ruskin, John Dryden, Matthew Arnold, T.S. Eliot. Correct answer, option number A, John Ruskin. Next question. Name the famous novel written by Salman Rushdie in 2005. The Moor's Last Sigh, Shalimar the Clown, The Satanic Verses, Fury. Correct answer, option number B, The Shalimar the Clown. Next question. Salman Rushdie won the Booker of Bookers Award in 1993 for Sham, Grimace, Midnight Children, The Satanic Verses. Correct answer, option number C, The Midnight Children. Midnight Children originally won the prize in 1981 and Booker of Bookers 1993. Next question. The Company of Women and Delhi, a novel, are written by Arundhati Roy, Anita Desai, Salman Rushdie, Khushwant Singh. Correct answer, option number D, Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was Indian writer and journalist born in 1915 in Hadali, Punjab, and died 20th of March 2014, and his debut novel The Train to Pakistan in 1956, and film was made 1998 on his debut novel The Train to Pakistan. Which is the debut novel of Mulk Raj Anand? Coolie, The Road, Untouchable, Two Leaves and a Bird. Correct answer, option number C, Untouchable, is a novel by Mulk Raj Anand. Next question, who wrote Homage to Khajuraho? Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Rabindranath Tagore, Anita Desai. Correct answer, option number A, Mulk Raj Anand. Next question, Leela, the protagonist in which of the following works of Anita Desai? The Village by the Sea, In Custody, The Zigzag Way, Clear Light of the Day. Correct answer, option number A, The Village by the Sea. Leela is the main protagonist. Next question, what was the name of Leela's brother in the novel The Village by the Sea? Rai, Hari, Shyam, Dev. Correct answer, option number B, Hari. The Village by the Sea, written by Anita Desai, that tells the tale of village situated near the sea. The title of the story aptly describes the storyline. Anita Desai, born on 24th of June 1937 in Missouri. Next question, who wrote 300 Ramayanas? Options, Amitabh Ghosh, E.K. Ramanujan, Rabindranath Tagore, Khushwant Singh. Correct answer, option number B, E.K. Ramanujan. Its full title, 300 Ramayanas, 5 examples and 3 thoughts on translation. It is an essay written by Attipad Krishna Swami Ramanujan. Next question, who wrote the Karma short story? E.K. Ramanujan, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao, Khushwant Singh. Correct answer, option number D, Khushwant Singh. The Karma is a story written by Indian writer Khushwant Singh. It was originally published in 1989 in Singh's The Collected Stories. Next question, Mohanlal, the protagonist, is taken from which of the following works of Khushwant Singh? The Portrait of Lady, The Strain, Karma, Success Mantra. Correct answer, option number C, Karma. Mohanlal is the main protagonist in the short story Karma. Next question, what did the priest teach at the village school? Morning prayer, alphabets, songs, both A and B. Correct answer, option number D, both A and B. Morning prayer and alphabets are taught in Khushwant Singh's work, The Portrait of Lady. Portrait of Lady. It is a short story written by Indian author Khushwant Singh. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.